Hi guys, what's up? I hope you're well. Today I'm in the area of Ngongro. You can see this side the road. This is the road that goes to Karen and Gong. You can see the vehicles. Yeah, so what am I doing here? Today I'm just bringing you on this trip because I've come to do some plant shopping. Yeah, we need to refresh our garden, and so I want to show you what we got here. We have a lot of plants over here. We have pots. There's a time we had done a video. No, these are different places, and I love them. So I just want to show you the different kind of flowers and plants that they have. Yeah, you can see. We have so much here. Very nice one. Yeah, all these flowers. We have the palms. Yeah, you can see. Then you can have the trees. We have the flower pots also. Cypress. There's so much. So there's the temple. There's carpet grass, Arabic, Karan, Zimbabwe, and manure. Zimbabwe is the grass that I have at my space. By now you've seen it. Yeah, so this is where you buy your plants in Nairobi. And the carpet grass over there. Yeah, so you just go, this one when you buy it, you just go place it on your compound, and then a few days of watering and bingo, you have your grass. Oh, outfit for the day. I'm in a dress, white shoes, oh my god, but I love the menu. I'm careful. Yeah, so there's a lot, so much you can buy. Yeah, this is the highway. These are matatus that are the vehicles that are coming from town all the way to Ngong and Karen. Karen is so close. It's just here actually, a few less than a kilometer in Karen, the shopping center. Yeah, and this place, what, I just love it. I want to show you some other nice plants. We have there's so much, guys. Look, we have all this. I don't want to talk about it. We have the cypress, the trees, and oh, the sun keeps literally, guys. We have the flowers, all kinds. You get everything here. Then behind me over there, let me focus. I'll show you some nice hanging plants. Bingo! So behind me here, we have some very nice hanging plants. Let's look at it. Yeah, here we go. Oh, I love it in this shade. So we have a lot of hanging plants over here. You can get your hanging plants also. Forgive me because of the wind, guys, but we roll anyway. I don't know why I always keep forgetting to carry my microphone, but anyway, it's okay. So we have all this. When you come here, you get so much variety. Yeah. Look. Besides that, we also have manure. So if you notice, I always refresh my garden with manure. That's what brought us here majorly. Yeah, so there's so much. Oh my god, look at these roses. Very nice. The trees, some are almost grown. So look at this place. Oh, I just love it. So it's so green, and you know me in green spaces, man. Hey. Look at the shoes I came with to buy. But it's okay. Then you have a lot of palm trees. Now we have manure. That's what you come to buy. So they are putting for us some manure. Mambo? Mko poa? Wow. Oh, I hope nakubaliwa ku record. Ni sawa? Oh. Yeah, so there's so much. If you want plants, just come here. It's just next to the road. Just park your car and you get your plants, your flowers, your manure. I love it. Accessibility also. We want to get manure. Oh, it's so nice. It's very organic. This one will do justice to hamburgers. Well, you will see, guys. We also have the bamboos. You've seen what I have at home. This is it. I have bamboos. Yeah, I was asking them if it's okay to record. I don't like invading in people's spaces. If they tell me it's not okay, I don't record. So it's always good manners, by the way, to ask, because some people don't want to be recorded. So they have so much. That's why you can see some over there. This is gonna be just a short video. So they are now putting for us manure. Oh, thank God the sun is down. It's been so hot in Nairobi, you guys. Wow, I don't know. Like now it's Sunday afternoon. What? Do you know, guys, the temperature has been constantly 30 degrees. Wow, it's so bad. Look at this. See? Imagine you can, as I always tell you guys, you can make your space as good as you want, as much as it's small. Imagine even if you're in an apartment and you have a small balcony, you can just buy some plants and flowers and then you beautify it. Yeah. What is down here? Could we be having some river or... Let me see. Curiosity killed the cat. Oh, there's some water. This is like a kaswampy area. Oh, I think this is where they get water from. Yeah, there's a kaswamp here. And then the forest. Wow. Yeah, so I'm saying, even if you have a small space, you can just you can get some flowers and just make it look good. You know, you don't need a lot of space. Like if you guys have seen, I have a small space, but I've utilized it. I put a lot of plants. I put a small garden. I squeeze it, but anyway, I enjoy it. So behind me is a beautiful forest. Yeah, I love it. Look. Hey, I imagine just one day, one time. Oh, Godspeed, yani. I'll be able to have a space with, you know, like imagine if that's your backyard or part of your garden. That day will come. I have faith. Oh, one day, maybe when I retire. Currently, we are living in constituted spaces in Nairobi, but it's fine. I don't mind. I don't complain. I try as much as I can to make it as good as I want it to be. Yeah, and you can also do that with your space. Make them green. Don't just let it be dry and concrete all over. And especially like me, I live in Islam, but I made it look as good as I want it to be. Yeah. So this is it. I'm not gonna make this video so long, guys. Today we are not on any road trip. We just came to do some plant shopping, as I told you. Yeah, and I've shown you where you get your stuff, where you get your manure. I try to look for the most accessible places, by the way. I don't want you guys to struggle when you're going to get your plants. You just come park your car here. Imagine there's a shell just before Current Shopping Center. You just come park your car there, and then you get everything, your plants. Yeah, and you make your place beautiful. You're not stuck in struggle. I just recommend in nice places where you can get stuff without struggling. You don't have to go so far. And their prices are also good, they are affordable. Yeah, so imagine that is it for this video. I just wanted you guys to see where you can get your flowers, your plants, your flower pots, and all that. And I think it's been a good one. So glad to have you guys here. Now the beauty about nature, you people. Ebu angalieni tu huku. Unaona huku? Yani there's just birds chirping, and this is Nairobi. Enyewe watu wenye wanaishi Karen. Oh my God. One day, one time. So birds are chirping. Imagine. So nice. Anyway, I'm gonna end it here, guys. I just want to thank you so much for your support, and thank you for always watching my content. We are really growing, guys. My name is Helen. Do you know, I realize I never say my name. So my name is Helen, and I'm so happy to have in this family of Helen here. We are growing. Thank you guys for supporting my content. I don't take it for granted. If you're new here, please feel at home. We do a lot of travel content and show people plugs of where you can get stuff, especially in Nairobi, because we just want to help each other to make our lives easier when you're in this city that we are always hustling, guys. Anyway, thank you so much. If you like this kind of content, kindly consider hitting the subscribe button and join this growing family. For my returning subscribers, guys, you're the best. I owe you one. Thank you so much for always supporting me. I don't take it for granted. May God bless all of you and expand your territories. So we're gonna end it here. For my channel members, how can I forget you people? You hold us, because every day you found it worth to support this channel on a monthly basis. Guys, I don't take it for granted, and I really appreciate you. Only God can repay you. So may you be blessed, may you be expanded in Jesus' name. So guys, bye bye. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've seen a nice plug where you can get your plants if you're in Nairobi. We end it here. Bye. Be blessed. See you on the next one.